Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Let's I'm just going to move the figure out the way, and then we can build to our extension. Right. What we need to do first is create a handle for the door. So we're just going to take this face. We're just going to drag it over because that's where the hand is going to go. Let's move slightly, so we will just make that a bit bigger. There we go. So what we need to do first is create a cube like so. Scale that down. Let's just zoom in. And what we're going to do, we're going to subdivision, edit, Control R, 2 loop cuts like so. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's just make that a bit smaller. Like that, like that. And then I'm going to do a couple of loop cuts here. And then just make it a bit thinner like so. And then that is going in there. So this is going to be part of the door handle. I'm going to now, we'll just as well duplicate that. Shift D on the Y. Rotate Y 90, like so. So this is going to be the handle. Make that quite a bit thinner. And then go into edit. And then what we want to do, Control R. Here. Just bring those two out like that. And then in the center here, number 3, we'll just do another loop cut, go into number 1 and just hit that one and scale it out like so. Hit number 3, extrude on the Y, Control R, like that. So it just looks like one piece of metal. Rotate on Y. Oh, rotate on the Z. Rotate on the Z 180. Like so. Just bring it over and in. So we've got a nice handle and that smooth shade. And now we're going to add some material. So what have we got so far? Okay. This one we need it to be like a chrome. Add new metallic Bosch. And then just add it onto there, like so. That's done. The brickwork, new. We want to change that to an image texture and get our brick image like so. What we need to do is come into here and we need to be in, I think that's the one. But first of all, let's Control A, scale, edit, select all, UV, smart UV, unwrap. And then on this side, select A, rotate 90. And then scale on the Y, oh, scale on the X, just to make the bricks look a little bit more sizable, like so. And then we can just add that to that one. Again, Control A. I think we could just delete that. Shift D on the X, like so. Maybe do the same there. Shift D on the X, rotate Z 90, and then we can just shove it in there, like so. Just select that face, drag, oh, we haven't got that turned on. So we need correct face attributes. So if you go into options, we're in edit mode, go into options and correct face attributes. And now we can just drag it out. And then this one here, we can delete. Shift D on the Y, drag it on over. And then if you want to tart these up, what you can do is just select that face, come over here, make sure it's selected, rotate 90. Then we got that, and then do the same here. Rotate 90, bosh, like so. So we've got our brickwork. It just needs moving up. Oh, not that one, this one. Okay, so we've got our brickwork done, we've got a handle on. We need to add material on here, on the roof. So new image for a, don't really know what it is, but we need to Control A, scale A, just solidify, fly. Right, Control A, scale, edit, A, UV, smart UV. Okay, now what we need to do is A, rotate 90, and then scale, just so it looks about right. These ones here, A, rotate 90. Might need to scale that one actually. Where is it? Scale. And then the same here. rotate 90. And then what we can do is if we just hit number 1, GG on the Y. UV. And then A, rotate 90. Rotate 180. Scale. Okay, and then the top, the flat, we can just have under grey. Like a dark grey, we can have it. Like so. And then on the inside of the roof here, this part, so we can select that one, oops, and that one, add a new material, and we'll just keep it white and sign. We've got a nice white finish on the inside and a dark finish on the outside.